In this example, I want to show you how to apply the distributive property and how to expand and simplify each product. So we have different kind of expression here, and I listed different kind of examples, and they are basically good for high school students, grade 10, but it can be used for any other person. So we have x plus 4 times x plus 3. So I have x times x times 3, and do it like that. So x times x is x squared, x times 3 is plus 3x, 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times 3 is 12. Then I simplify it, so I have x squared, these two we can add them up, so it will be 7x plus 12. Next one, x plus 1 times x plus 5, so I can multiply these two and then these two. X times x is x squared, x times plus 5 is plus 5x, 1 times x is just x, 1 times 5 is just 5. So I have x squared, 5x, and x will be 6x plus 5. Then I have x plus 7 times x plus 8, so I multiply these two first and multiply this and this. So x times x is x squared, x times 8 is plus 8x, 7 times x is 7x, 7 times 8 is 56. So I will have x squared plus 15x, when I simplify it, plus 56. Next one, I have x minus 3 times x minus 2, so x times x times negative 2, negative 3 times x, negative 3 times negative 2. X times x, x squared, x times negative 2, negative 2x, negative 3 times x is negative 3x, and negative 3 times negative 2 is positive x. So I simplify it, negative 2 and negative 3x will be negative 5x plus 6. Next one is x minus 1 times x minus 5. X times x times negative 5, negative 1 times x, negative 1 times negative 5. It will be x times x squared, x times negative 5, negative 5x, negative 1 times x is negative x, negative 1 times negative 5 is positive 5. And when we simplify it, it will be x squared. These two will be negative 6x plus 5. Next one, x minus 1 times x plus 5. X times x times positive 5, negative 1 times x, negative 1 times positive 5. X times x is x squared, x times 5 is positive 5x, negative 1 times x is negative x, negative 1 times positive 5 is negative 5. So I have x squared plus 4x minus 5. And the last one is x plus 3 times x minus 8. So I multiply this and this, that and that. So x times x is x squared, x times negative 8 is negative 8x, negative positive 3 times x is positive 3x, positive 3 times negative 8 is negative 24. Then I can combine these two, negative 8x and positive 3 is negative 5x minus 24. So that's how we do distributive property. Please leave a comment if you have any question or any comments, so I can answer it as soon as possible.